We all have heard this one statement that everything is happening now. There's no past, there's no future. Everything is happening at this very present moment. But the question arises that if everything is happening now, then why our mind keeps on revolving around past and future? Why it does not stay in the present moment? So originally what happened was that our mind was actually used as a biological tool, because at that time we all have heard this one statement which says that survival of the fittest. So our mind was used to plan, to remember danger, because we didn't know at the very next moment what danger comes to us. So we obviously had to plan at that time. So it was used to remember danger, and it was used to ensure survival at that time. And that is why our mind needed the concept of time. So obviously it had to remember the past so that it does not repeat the mistakes, and it had to remember the future so that it can prepare and protect itself. So time was necessary because it was evolution's way of helping us live longer. But what was once just a biological tool started becoming our identity. We started to identify ourselves with mind. Now your ego or your personal identity is just like a thread, okay? And imagine if this ego of you or ego of I dissolves, then it will have no story to live in. And that is the reason our mind jumps from what was and what could be to actually keep this story of I, of this identity, of this ego alive. Now the funny thing here is that there is a very big spiritual paradox here. That is that existence itself is timeless. But to function within that existence, you have to walk, you have to talk, you have to learn, you have to grow. And for all of these things, mind uses time. So time actually became a functional reality, but not the ultimate truth, because mind want to keep that timeline of past and future alive. But you have to understand that you are above your mind, because mind will have a story to live in. But when you understand that you are above your mind, and when that awareness creeps in you, when that awareness deepens, you understand that everything is happening now, and that awareness helps you bring in the present moment. And you begin to use time and not get used by time, because your mind will keep you stuck in this timeline, because it has to play a story. But you have to understand that you are way above than your mind. And that is the reason that when you rest in awareness, and when you actually start understanding what awareness and what consciousness is, then automatically time starts dissolving and you actually come into the present moment. Because even if you are thinking about the past, then it is happening now. You are thinking about the past now. There is no past, but you are thinking about that past now. And even if you are planning something for future, then you are doing it now. So everything is happening now. And that is the reason all the spiritual people, all the spiritual books, all the spiritual sources, all the mantras, everything is telling you to be in the present moment. So when you rest in awareness, you start living the present moment. You start enjoying what is there in front of you right now. And automatically you start feeling at peace, because present is the only reality which we live in. Okay? This is the ultimate truth, the present.